Good morning, George Hepworth, Grover Park Consulting. I have been building the Lander Trail Foundation, an online searchable database catalog. In this video, I'm just going to give you a very short demo of the load times we are now able to achieve by replacing most of the collections in the application with formulas, with named formulas. Named formulas load faster and require less code to maintain. We're going to look at the load time by playing the app from the development environment. The app is now loaded and settled and ready to work. We have 1,929 records, so we're still under the 2,000 record delegation limit. The main reason for using collections would be to allow us to load more records than the 2,000 delegation limit into an online memory table called a collection so that we would have all those records available. That's not a factor in our performance overall because of the filtering that's going on in this form. Let's do a quick search for a book. We'll pick one that I have used in previous demos. And I return 4 books on the subject of Tom Horn. And you'll notice that our performance within this sub-record set is also very good. In addition to the fact that the formulas load more quickly, they require less overhead than a collection, and they are easier to manage in code because we don't have to do the clear collect, all that procedure to rebuild the collection after each change, addition, or deletion of records in the underlying record source. Thanks. I hope you like what you saw here today. I hope it inspires you to go out and look at your own applications to see if you can improve performance in some way, and look for ways in which you can improve performance. If you like what you saw, please hit the subscribe button, the notify button, and the like button. All 3 are important, and I would look forward to seeing you at the next video. Thanks.